All right, guys. Let me explain here exactly what I'm talking about this entry. A lot of people, once they see this channel, we have somewhat of a channel here. What they're looking to do is obviously short at the highs of the channel, buys at the lows of the channel. What we have going on here is we have a high, and then we have the MACD high. But once this channel gets broken, that doesn't mean we're looking to go long uh, right out of the gate. What we're looking for is we're looking at the very next resistance level. That's what we're looking for. These happen to fall somewhat in the same area here. So what I did was I took as soon as it came up here and it tested, as soon as we got the first red Heikin-Ashi candle, I went short, and then the dollar is now just holding right here. I'm gonna tighten up this profit here because of the dollar. The dollar is not making a turn up, so we don't want to give our money back. If the dollar is not going to be heading back up, inverse what the gold market is doing, we do not want to stay in this. So we'll just keep our money. This is going to stop us out. We're just going to keep trailing until it stops us out. But if the dollar doesn't start heading up, it's going to happen sooner than later. So what happened here to get into this position is rather than just randomly, as soon as it broke this channel, rather than just going long when it breaks the channel, like some people, retail traders think they need to do, we just got to wait here for the next line of resistance, and that is the best shorting opportunity. And then we're just going to trade it right back down into this channel. That is one of my favorite setups, is waiting for a break of a channel or a wedge, and then using the previous resistance or support to for an entry opportunity. So we are short this market. We're just gonna wait here. Like I said, we're gonna get stopped out on this position. So there it is. All right, we got stopped out sooner than later. But you also notice the dollar has not started to roll up yet. The only thing that was going to keep us in this market was if the dollar started to roll up. That would help the market continue to push down. So not a bad trade. Good trade, guys. We're going to sit here. Let's watch the dollar, see if the dollar looks like it's slowly starting to round off here a little bit. If we can get the dollar to start heading up, maybe we can find some shorts somewhere. But right now, I'm not going to do a lot. We're going to wait for it to do something. The market internals are completely neutral, so sit on our hands. Nice. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate that, man. Not a bad trade, guys. It didn't fall through like we were wanting, but it all depended on the dollar down here. So we were able to take 12 ticks out of this market on the gold just by trailing it, managing our money properly. So, all right, we will sit around and wait for the next setup.